Welcome back. This is the recording for Cloudy with a Chance of Weather 1 activity list. The first activity is required 3 times for 20 minutes. Read to self and practice your power goal. You are to read a literary text. Write the title here. On this line, it asks, who is the main character in my book? Write the main character of your book here. Check off each time you read. For your reading focus, you're going to learn about point of view. The first activity is required for 15 minutes. This is learning. You will scan the QR code to listen to the PowerPoint point of view video. This is due Tuesday. This is to be done independently. Remember to mark your mode. Required 10 minutes is practice. Complete the point of view questions in the resource area. This can be done independent or with a pair. Remember to mark your work mode. The next section is writing. We're working on narrative writing. The first activity is required for 10 minutes. It is learning. Scan the QR code narrative introduction. Then write down one introduction from the video on these lines. The next section is required 10 minutes. It is practice. Create a 4-square plan telling a story about a time you were in a storm. Fill out the introduction box only. This is to be done independent. The next activity is required 10 minutes. It is practice. Scan the QR code and listen to nouns. Then complete the noun sort in the resource area. Take a picture and upload it to your Canvas account. This is to be done independent or with a pair. The next section is reading comprehension. This is required for 20 minutes. It is practice. Read the story Blizzards. Complete the page in the resource area. This can be done as a pair. The next section is listen to reading. It is required for 15 minutes. It is practice. Listen to a story on Raz-Kids on your level. What is the title? Write your title here. Take the quiz. Write down your score. Write your score here. The next section is Foundational Skills IEST IER. This is required for 20 minutes. It is practice. Green readers, blue readers, add ER, EST, IER, and IEST. Red readers, comparative suffixes. White readers have a word sort. Then scan the QR code to review your tricky words on your level. Next section is social studies. You have a choice, 10 minutes, learning. Read Ready for Cold Weather in the resource area. Or scan the QR code to listen to Ready for Cold Weather in the resource area. This can be done independent or with a pair. The next activity is required, 15 minutes. It is practice. Answer the Ready for Cold Weather questions in the resource area. If you need help reading them, scan the QR code titled Ready for Cold Weather Questions. This is to be done independently. Remember to mark your work mode. You have a severe weather journal. These activities you will do in your severe weather journal. Required daily for 5 minutes. Record the daily temperatures on the weather tracker on page 1 of the severe weather journal. This is to be done every day. It can be done independent or with a pair. Choose this 2 activities, 20 minutes for each activity. This is a learning activity. One choice is Brain Pop Junior video Seasons. Under Science, Weather, and Seasons, look for this picture. Then scan the QR code for Seasons Quiz to take the quiz. Check your answer using the key in the resource area. Or read Which Season Is It on Epic. Then scan the QR code for Which Season Is It. Quiz, check your answers using the key in the resource area. Or complete the season sort. Check your answers using the key in the Learning Center or resource area. This can be done independent or with a pair. Independent or with a pair, remember to mark your work mode. The next activity is required for 10 minutes. It is a reflection. Complete the reflection questions after you have finished 2 learning activities above. This is independent. Remember to mark your work mode. Required 20 minutes. This is practice. Complete the seasons comparison paper in the resource area. This can be done independent or with a pair. Required 10 minutes. This is learning. Scan the weather video QR code to watch this video, then complete the weather quiz using the QR code. Independent, remember to mark your work mode. Optional activity for 10 minutes. This is learning. Build your weather system vocabulary using this Quizlet. Use the flashcards first and then try to match the activity. Good luck, happy learning!